Hello, I'm again at my parents, and our family cat, the older one, is uh, getting some disoriented, and she won't eat much food, and we believe that she won't have many days or many weeks left here on Earth. So we just hope she will, if she's going to leave, she will be out of her sorrows. And yeah, it's been about 16 or 17 years she's now here, and that's quite a long time for a cat. And it has also been a stable part of our family life to have the cat around. So that's for today. I hope you're feeling well. Have a nice time, and see you soon. Bye.